Welcome to Mental Moments with AJ3, your mortgage QB, aka Bert the Builder. Today I was asked a question by a real estate partner. The question was, does JBF Construction do small projects? The answer is yes. We do kitchen renovation, we do bathroom renovation, we do roofing. Bert the Builder does decks. Bert the Builder replaces exterior doors, siding. We even help you if you need replacement windows. So anything construction, consider Bert the Builder for your projects. Give us a call, follow us, like us on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube. Follow all our pages. We're gonna start showing more information on projects that we're completing, projects that we're doing for homeowners, for nonprofit organizations, and projects we're doing for ourselves. Thank you for listening to Bert the Builder, aka AJ3, your mortgage QB.